The joining station of the MAD unit simulates the force needed to secure the cap on the container. We have this section designed as an offline loading and unloading station, featuring our flexible machining capabilities. As the cap and container travel down the conveyor, the SICK H18 sensor detects the container and cap, triggering the gripper to move and grab the container. The gripper is controlled by air pressure through another Aventix HF03 valve manifold system with Sercos 3 communication. One valve uses guided cylinders to stop the container from traveling down the conveyor. Another valve controls the gripper, which grabs the cup and places it on the press stand to be sealed. The gripper moves along the 7XZ gantry system. The X and Z axis are controlled by CKK ball screw modules with an MS2N motor and KSM motor. The joining station is controlled by two electromechanical cylinders, or EMC40s, from Rexroth. The EMCs are driven by synchronized KSM servo motors and integrated servo drives. The entire station is controlled by Indra Control XM22 programmed in IndraWorks. This station showcases the daisy chain functionality of Rexroth servo technology. An EUCHNER ZSM LiveMan switch is used for teaching the press and limiting the speed of the press. A SICK E-stop button can stop the entire machine when pressed. This protects the machine user and allows for any corrective action to take place. EUCHNER non-contact safety switches on the enclosure doors serve as a safety mechanism that does not require a key to safely open the enclosure. After the joining station, the container travels back to the flexible palletizer station, where it's placed back in an open slot. The joining station concept is transferable to several different press operations. As an engineering partner, systems integrator, and value-added distributor, Morrell Group is equipped to apply this advanced technology to your application. In our next video, we will feature our solution for a flexible palletizer station. To learn more about this solution or schedule a demonstration, contact Morrell Group today.